all, my name is David, your in-flight manager. It's my pleasure to welcome you all on board today, and a very special welcome to those of you who are returning from the Executive Club and the One World Alliance partners. May I remind you to keep your seatbelts fastened whenever you are seated. It must remain securely fastened whenever the seatbelt signs are on. When opening overhead lockers, please take care as items may have moved. They could fall out and cause you an injury. As a reminder, smoking, including cigarettes, vaping and the use of other smoking devices is not permitted at any time whilst on board. This does include the toilets, which are fitted with smoke detectors. We are shortly about to begin out of board service. If you do have any allergies